Hey there, welcome to the channel. I was just repairing this towel slash robe hook beside the shower. It was all loose and janky, and I thought, well, it's really hot out today, I'm gonna fix it. But you know what? I took it off. It was just moving around like this, and I removed it, and I thought this would be a great video because you know how many times people have wall anchors that come loose, or they're just sitting in there like just spinning and you can't tighten it up anymore. I'm going to show you right now how to fix this, and you'll never have a problem again, probably for a long time. When I talk about the wall plugs, it's these things. They were sitting in there loose. They're in here like this, and they're flush against the wall. But when I went to tighten up the screws from this, the back of this is the mount for the back of the hook, it would just spin around, and that's no good because this top one was moving out actually, and it was hanging like this. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this towel hook so that it's mounted tight up against your wall and it will not come loose probably ever again. We're going to be using a wall plug like this. You can see how they have these deep grooves in them and they just bite right in. They're not going to let go. But we're going to take it a step further, and you're going to like this. Because what I'm about to show you, you're going to use it once and you're never going to do it any other way again. You're going to be using this stuff for everything. So what I have is PL adhesive, and we're going to put a little bit on this drywall plug, and we're going to screw it into the hole, and it's going to dry, and within 24 hours, that's going to be like concrete. And it isn't going to move ever again, I'm telling you. Unless you like hang off it with your body, but I don't think you're going to be doing that. It'll be able to handle a lot of weight, like towels and bathrobes, a lot of weight. So I cleaned up any loose paint or drywall that was in these holes. This part here is all chipped and it's going to show, but I just want to fix it for now. And when I paint these walls in the bathroom, I will take this bathrobe towel hook off and clean this up better and repaint it. So I went ahead and I put some PL adhesive on these wall plugs because I already showed you, but I forgot to hit record. So I put a little dab on each wall plug, and this PL, here I'll put it this way, this PL adhesive, construction adhesive, you can get in a squeeze tube as well if you don't have a caulking gun. You can get that at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you need. So I got the wall plugs with my PL adhesive, and we're going to go ahead and put that in the holes now. So I'm just going to take the wall plug, put it in the hole here, grab my screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and turn the wall plug into that hole. And like I said, that wall plug will likely bite in there and hold good enough as is, but that PL is just going to make it way 10 times stronger, and you won't have any issues. We'll take our other wall plug, put it in the bottom hole, and you can see the PL, some of it squeezing out. That's all right, we're going to clean that up. We'll just take a tissue and clean that up nicely. Be sure you don't get it all over because this stuff, when it hardens up, it's like concrete. And that's good enough. It's going to be hidden. And I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I've done. There's exactly what it looks like. Some PL came out, but there's lots on the threads of those wall plugs. Now we're going to screw the towel holder mount right to here, into these holes in the center of these wall plugs. And for this job, I would use a screwdriver. Don't use a cordless gun because you'll probably end up cranking that too tight and then it'll just spin. And that's not good. That's what you're trying to avoid here, to eliminate. And just make sure it's perfectly vertical. Don't over tighten these screws, just snug them up nice. That's all you need to do. Just like that. Perfect. That thing is tight as can be now. And once that PL hardens, like I said, it's gonna be like concrete, like cement. Okay, now we're gonna take our hook and we're gonna put it on. Like that. Take our little Allen key and we're gonna tighten up the set screw underneath. I'm gonna have to remove this a few times because I don't have much turning room here, no matter how I hold this Allen key. There, we're snugged up, and look at that, tight as can be. I can hardly wait for that PL to harden. This fix is gonna help a lot of people. I have an older video from 5 years ago where I was attaching a towel rack to the back of an interior door. They're hollow inside, so they're more prone to screws coming out of those, right? Like your bathroom door. So I did the same thing using that kind of a wall plug. I think the one I was using was like a metal, and I put the PL on, and for 5 years that thing has been holding tight. Never has it gotten loose. I'll put a link to that video down in the description below. Also, you can watch it here at the end of this video. If this video helped you, leave a comment below. Let me know, or anything else you might do that maybe work as well or better. And like the video if it helped. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.